say Dada?
Vaccine day.
Can you say Dada? Po.
Meron pa siyang isa. Hindi, pero ba't wala sa baby book?
Kasi nakalimutan ko po yung baby book
Nung last.
Can you say yes?
Can you say yes? Itambo?
Yes po.
Tingnan mo.
Babaw na naman itong varicella, ha? Mas iiyak to. Live kasi yung baby book. Alam mo nga, sabi ko, alam ko may kita pa ako after
Nakalimutan ko yung
Feb.
baby months yung,
Okay, very good.
yung gatas niya.
Nak, Ilgo Pasyal.
Gata tita daw.
Ilgo. Yes, ito na.
malabo.
Saan kaya nilagay ni ma'am? Very likot na po.
Oh my God, super
Very likot na po. Listen na, anak.
Dada will listen to your heart and to your lungs.
Ayan na.
Okay.
Listen lang, anak. Listen lang.
Listen.
Listen lang.
Can you breathe? Breathe in, breathe out.
Listen, Tita Doc, sa heart, anak. Listen, Tita Doc, sa heart. Go to the bed na. Listen, Tommy.
Lie down, it's okay.
Lie down. Listen
It's okay.
na, Tommy.
It's okay.
Pwede naman na. Pupulga ka.
Parang
Gusto
ang
mo?
laki kasi ng tummy.
Mas mabigat pa yata yung diaper mo. Sige, listen mo rin yung diaper.
Listen.
Ethan, where's your bird?
Listen,
Where's your bird? Where's your bird? Where's your bird?
Yun! Nasa ilalim ng wet diaper. Change diaper po ako. Ready si mami. Okay, sub-Q ako.
It's okay.
Finish, anak.
Ay! Hindi umiyak.
Brave
Kung kailan
Very good ah. Kung kailan naka-video si daddy, akala nila iiyak ka ah.
Hindi umiyak.
Look at your
Wow!
Very good, anak.
Parang wala lang ah.
Very good ah.
Ay, hindi umiyak.
Wala?
Sabi mo wala na, ma'am Rock. Isa lang. Sabi mo. Dali ka na.
No more?
Ethan,
No more?
Don't spam.
May
Teka, we'll give you lollipop.
Para lang may record din ako
Ayan na.
dito. Kasi meron na ako. Lollipop? What do you want? Titri, what do you want? You want lollipop? Lollipop? Or chocolate? Marshmallow? Lollipop lang. Lollipop only. Okay! Umiling. Ayaw niya yung one.
Ay, mag-speak eh. Say thank you.
Oh, kiss Tita Doc.
Kiss tita Doc. Kiss tita Doc.
Oh,
Oh.
sus! Thank you, anak. I love you too. Talag na at 1.2 nun drops. Tapos warm compress lang tayo sa vaccine site. And then we'll see you next.
Hello! We're done vaccine! He didn't cry! It's a success! Oh, you say hi! It's a success! With mascarpone. Classic tiramisu. Starts at 150.
Pero po din.
Yung classic. Tapos ito, Oreo and Biscoff.
Ito po, 160, 165 po. 165.
Isang ganun, isang pahaba. And then yung classic is 150.
Yes po.
But let's do grocery first.
Kain.
Tapos dinner. Isang blueberry cheesecake. Then isang Nutella with almonds. Merienda time. Hello. Say hi to the camera. Hindi, papakagating ko. Nutella.
Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to your vlog. Hi, vlog!
Put it inside. Here. Here.
Done! Waiting lang. Dinner kami after. Debit. Thank you. Yay for Kaya Toast! Hi! We're having dinner at Nanyang. So, I'm having Hainanese. And, nakita ko lang to sa What's Your Ulam. Pare. So, nakita ko to sa What's Your Ulam.
What's your ulam, pare?
Oo, What's Your Ulam pa? Meron daw masarap na tiramisu. Kalahati na siya kasi tinikman namin. And it's masarap. 150, ganito. Hanggang dito siya kalaki. Worth it naman. Let's eat.
Kita mo,
This is the Nunya Kaya Toast with the egg. So first ko to natikman is nung LU sa Clean Beach. Ang sarap ng Kaya Toast. So we had our pedia day today. Meron siyang vaccine. This is varicella for chickenpox. We are expecting na iyak siya ngayon, pero no. Hindi siya umiyak.
Yan.
Pinipigilan.
Sino ba kausap mo?
Yung camera.
Tatagayin mo lang talaga sa buwan.
Gusto niya yung ulam mo. Kasi pag ayaw niya,
Wow!
You look like pastillas.
Let's go. Say hi to the camera. Good morning. We're going to Opus today and we're going to celebrate Mother's Day. Uy, si Mama Emmy!
Shit. Kalimutan ko na naman kumanan.
Let's add the Lola, remember?
Where's Lola?
Ako na naman.
Hi. Hi.
We're here na at Opus. We're going to eat at Sobra Cafe. David, baka naman! Don't touch, ha? Say hi to the camera! Yeah. Wala na ako sasabihin. Kailangan pala madaldal ka dito.
Madaldal ka tayo.
Okay. Okay guys, for your reference, this is the menu. Kung may ganito daw is bestseller. So ako ako tapa sobra. Let's try the coffee then. Hi, so they give a complimentary mango iced tea daw. Because it's Mother's Day today. Nasa siyang iced tea na may mango.
Oh.
But it's yummy. Yummy?
More.
Oh, more.
More.
Kinakagat niya yung straw. So, same. Alam niyo na kung kanino mana to. Look at the straw. See? You want more?
Water.
Oh, may water siya dyan. Okay.
Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Okay, stop. Say hi. Say hi to your vlog. You say hi to Tito David. Say hi. You say hi to Tito David. You say, Tito David, we're here in your restaurant. Hi. Let's try. Don't know. Mango siya na parang nilagyan mo ng asin niya. Masarap naman. Wait lang. Mapaksa pa, syempre. So, there's a bata na nagloloko beside me while I'm doing this. I think he's hungry. That's Spanish latte. Come on, let's eat. Let's go. Look at this. This is the bulgogi. Gusto niya lang may hinuhold siya.
Nagtuturo ka na naman, ha?
Can I see? Can I see? Anak. Can I see?
Jordan, oh. Angas.
May
Wow.
bago kang stock.
Bagay siya shoes.
Naka-all out na po siya. Naka-all out na. Okay lang. Okay naman yung stock na. Okay. Can I have it? Can I have it?
Let's go na. Say hi. Astro Boy ito eh.
Don't smile. Look at the camera only. Don't smile. Look at the camera only.
Order ako ng sour cream with the ice cream on top. So, let's try. Thank you.
Gugulo kasi sila sa inventory pattern.
Ethan, here. Here. Come here. Liga. Gusto niya may hawak pa siya.
Bigyan natin. Bigyan.
Hello!
Hi! Say hi! Dal-dal na yan, oh.
Talk ka na. Ano ko pa, Doc? Si Siler!
Kami na.
Good morning. We're on the way to church and this is our morning coffee. It's from Kalinaw. This is Vietnamese coffee, less sweet. Yun yung parate namin in order and it's yummy.
Say hi, to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi.
Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb. Blessed are you among
Ito, Lolo.
women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you.
So we ate at Savory. What we ordered is butter chicken, yang chow rice, Shanghai, pancit, and braised beef. Ay, braised pork belly, hindi pala braised beef. Masarap yung bok choy. Sweet bok choy. But it's yummy, yes. It's worth ordering. Pancit is masarap. The Shanghai, yes, of course, with the sweet and sour sauce. And Ethan ate the butter chicken. That's okay. Eat it. Wow! Eat! Bagsak mo lang daw, kakunin niya yan.
Sinalapan mo lang dyan yan.
Yummy food. Eat it. I don't put it on the table. Just eat it first. Clap your hands. Ethan is done. So we're going to Ate Chris. Ethan's shawarma. Yeah. Tada. Happy Mother's Day, Ate Chris. This is yours. This is the shawarma. This is Ethan's shawarma.